Want to block a specific movie or show on your Netflix using your PC? Netflix lets you prevent certain titles from being viewed on a profile by using its blocked titles feature. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a movie or show on Netflix using this feature. Let's get started. First, go to Netflix using your app or browser. I'm going to use the Netflix app, but the interface is same for both. So, open a profile. Then, from the home menu, move your mouse cursor to the profile in the top right corner. Click on Account. In here, click on Profiles in the left side. Now click on Adjust Parental Controls. Select the profile that you want to set the parental controls for. After that, confirm your identity with a verification method. Once that is done, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. From here, type a show's name in the title restriction box. For example, let's try Stranger Things. Once it appears on the results, click on it. And from now on, Stranger Things will be hidden from this profile completely. If you ever want to stop the block, then click on the cross icon right next to your blocked show or movie. After that, save your changes. And that's it. That's how you block a movie or show on Netflix using your PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Netflix tutorials. See you in the next one.